How to fix unexpected store exception error in Windows 11. 1. Check system components and their connections. 2. Update drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run your Windows in its clean boot and remove any conflicting applications using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 4. Run SFC and check disk scan, aka chkdsk/r, as administration 5. Update Windows 11. Six. Turn off Fast Startup under change what the power buttons do in Control Panel.